So I got trains here on the Mille Iles River Bridge here between Laval and the North Shore of Montreal. They're testing REMs. Four-car train. And there should be a two-car train. Another four-car. Here on the brand new REM bridge that replaces the old girder bridge. It used to be at grade level crossing over there. Now it crosses St. Rose Boulevard. Really nice new concrete bridge. Looks like somebody put a picture of Pickle Rick here on the door on one of these sluice gates here at the bridge. This is a dam actually on the Mille River. Looks like the gates are open. The river is pretty low. Yeah, so it's Monday, October 6th, 2025, around 5 o'clock p.m. and they're coming every 2 minutes or so. Good timings. And they will be opening this line sometime in November for public use, apparently. Probably the end of November. Really low river level right now here on the Mille Iles. Brand new bridge, concrete, and there used to be a railroad crossing here Not anymore. The REM goes right above the road. Okay, so I think that's going to do it for me here on the edge of the Mille Iles River here in Laval. And the REM testing is about to wind down, as in November, end of November I say. It's gonna start again, and we're gonna be able to ride them for the first time here on the Deux Montagnes line. And there's my bike. Yeah, that's how I got here. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.